Welcome. If you've been looking for a way to allow fonts permission on the Instagram app on your PC after the latest update, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through each step so you can unlock new font features and make your Instagram experience even more creative. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your PC. You'll want to make sure you're logged into your account before moving forward. Once you're on your Instagram homepage, look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see 3 dots. Click on them. This opens up a menu with several options for managing your Instagram settings. Next, from this menu, find and select App Info. This will take you into the detailed settings for the Instagram app itself. Inside the App Info section, look for and click on Settings. Here you'll find more advanced options to customize your app experience. Now, scroll down until you see more settings and permissions. Click on this to reveal additional permissions you can manage for Instagram. Among the permissions, you'll find an option labeled Fonts. This is the key to unlocking custom font capabilities within the app. Next to fonts, you'll see a toggle or drop-down menu. Simply choose Allow. That's it. By allowing fonts permission, you're enabling Instagram to access and use a wider variety of fonts, giving you more ways to express yourself in posts, stories, and even your bio. This new update is designed to make your content stand out and reflect your unique style. If you ever want to change this setting, just follow these steps again and adjust the permission as needed. Remember, keeping your app updated ensures you have access to the latest features and security improvements. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on making the most of your favorite apps. Enjoy exploring all the new font options on Instagram.